Good morning. Welcome to Nifty prediction. Let's go to the prediction for Monday. Ratio indicating positive 3:0. Average indicating positive 2:0. Weightage indicating positive 1.25 versus 0. And absolute frequency evenly poised because it is a fresh day of the month. So we don't have any frequency. So whenever we get the evenly poised means all three results are possible. Here we need to watch out. Other parameters are indicating positive, but still we need to watch out. This bearish open target level came inside the positive because we don't have any kind of negative frequency at all. We don't have any kind of frequency at all. So which means we need to play much more cautiously. Why? Because whenever the bearish level and bearish open target level came inside the positive means it is indicating that it may go down to extremely bearish, even though no matter how much high it opens. So there is the one kind of scenario. On the other hand, if this kind of levels came inside the positive means the opening itself having chances to go down extremely bearish somewhere, for example 200, 300, 400 points gap down also possible. But XCX Nifty is indicating gap down is possible, but still we saw so many times, because you can check out my past videos in those levels. If the levels are coming like this means I'll told that the market having chances to go down deeper, because for example today, I mean on this specific day, the SGX indicating gap down is possible. Sometimes we may not get those kind of indications, so those days we will come to know. For example, if the same kind of day the market is open somewhere in the gap up, somewhere in the 100 points or maybe 150 points, if it is opens means it will fall down from that level and break this level and go down towards to the extremely bearish. That is what this specific day is indicating, because of the bearish level and the bearish open target level came inside the positive, indicating that the market will go down towards to bearish. But luckily SGS Nifty itself showing that the gap down is possible, but still we need to watch out where the Nifty is going to open. So if the gap down is somewhere around 300 points or 400 points, or maybe even it may open somewhere around 60 points in the negative side is also possible. So it will go deeper towards to the negative, and it has unlimited downside as well. Negative having unlimited downside, it may have a chance to go kept somewhere low and it has a recover from that low is also possible, but we may not know what kind of a low it can be. So that is the biggest question. So if anyone going for the sell, all they need to keep this 9864 plus 10 points as a stop loss, 9874 or 75 as a stop loss, and go for a sell. That is advisable. If that this level is breaking, then the market may having chance to recover from that low towards the positive side. But still what we need to watch out is that the bearish level needs to break. This level is breaking means it is indicating that it is entering into the volatile market, but still 9888 plus 10 points, so 9898. If this level is not breaking, the market may not go towards the positives. I mean well positive, it may go towards the positive, but somehow it will once again, if this particular level is not breaking, the market is having chances to fall once again from that level, even though if after recovering from that low. And still the three indications showing the markets are having chances to go positive, so it is clearly indicating that the market is having tremendous pressure. So the bearish level itself keeping stop loss and go for a sell is advisable if it is recovering from that low. For example 300 400 points gap down, if it is opening, if the market is recovering from that low, it may having chances to recover from that low towards to bearish level. But if this bearish level is not breaking, the market having chances to fall deeper down once again. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you.